let's get started.
So I did a line, and then it's like 5 centimeters apart of each other, and there's A, B, A, B, A. And I chose 4 different colors, and I chose 2 of each color. So now you'll need a glue stick, A4 paper, and colored paper. And you have to get the glue stick, and then you have to can you see this A? You go like down with the glue stick. Only the A's, not the B's. So now you'll get a different piece of paper and stick it on. Like this. And then now you'll do on the B's only. Now I'm going to draw a big circle. I'm going to cut the circle. After cutting them in half, you have to glue them together. So this is the final result of the ball, and there's like a hole on the bottom that you